Yeah, I mean, I think they're fair. And, Uber's strategy, which is to become the platform, not just for driving and mobility, but for delivery and what have you, it is the right strategy. The difference between Uber and, let's say, Amazon years ago is that, Uber has a close number two in a lot of these markets. Lyft here in the US and some of the other players are even bigger than Uber in some of the foreign markets. So, you can spend and spend and spend. You may never get to the point where you get a fair return on your money, though.
They also said that 2019 was the peak investment year for the company, with in the years 2020 and 2021, the losses are expected to come down. 5.24 billion was the loss for the quarter. That was a lot more than what Wall Street had been anticipating. Is there a lack of clarity in the numbers and just what the business is doing? And from an investment point of view, should you be worried about that if you do in fact own the stock?
It's certainly not what you want to have happen in your first or second quarter right out of the gate when you go public. So from that perspective, it's a big miss. It's a big, black eye. That said, the number in terms of the size of the loss was so big that I think there's some hope that they have front loaded a lot of the bad news for coming quarters into this quarter. So the hope is that the next few quarters will be much easier beats.
What do you see as fair value for the stock? Of course, we know that it listed at 45 apiece in the market debut. We've been tracking below those levels. Another 6% decline in the pre-market now ahead of trading on Friday. What's an attractive price target, do you think, for the stock? And if you don't own it, where would you look at potentially getting in, taking advantage of this weakness that we're seeing off of the IPO price?
I don't own it at present. I would be looking to buy it in coming days as it drops 5+%. Longer term, I see double-digit percentage upsides per year. It is the right player. It's a better position than Lyft in general.
Hey everybody, it's Hadley Gamble from our new CNBC Middle East Bureau in Abu Dhabi. Thanks for stopping by. Now to watch more, you can try one of the videos that just popped up on your screen. And don't forget to subscribe.